know what's not doing great? The price of Bitcoin. Or is it? A day and a half ago, about 26 hours ago, I closed out all my positions except for HBAR. Oh gosh, I did a video about HBAR. I'm like, here, I'm going to show everyone. We're launching the course. I'll show you how to make 10% in one day. I make my position, put in my buys. I layer in 3 purchases of HBAR. It's already off to the races, and Israel gets attacked by Iran. Pushes Bitcoin down from 65 and change, 66 down to 63. The highest the HBAR position went in the first 24 hours was up 6.8%. But it didn't hit my 10% trigger because I wanted to prove something. You got to love geopolitical moves. And since crypto was the only market that was open that night when it happened, when Israel was attacked, it took the brunt of the downturn. So those positions are still open. I just actually closed out all of my trading positions about 26 hours ago when Bitcoin was $64,000, I want to say. And I put in a buy order at 60,600. And that got triggered. I'll show you the chart with my real technical stuff. That got triggered this morning right there. So I've repurchased about, 4 or 5% more Bitcoin. But I'm still waiting if Israel retaliates since the attack this last weekend. There can be a whole nother upheaval, but we're coming into the Bitcoin halving. We are seeing massive funds purchase, and there's going to be a lot of upward pressure on that price because of the sheer amount of volume that's moving into Bitcoin. So the story I wanted to share with you, and real quick, we're still doing the pre-filming discount. I think the course is going to be complete and wrapped up in the next week and a half. It's down below. It's like 82% off. If you want, it's $189. But I will tell you this, if you want, because my crypto team is awesome, I've joined forces with 2 other people in the space to teach this course. What we're doing is we're providing, I'd say monthly calls, but it actually is like 1 call a week, live AMA with Crypto Charts Joe. And this is all he does for a living is trade crypto and stocks, and he's also putting out a weekly calls too of what's going on during these key time points. So if you want, take a look at those, and that's also on sale. Where it's normally at $99 a month. So check this out. Blockworks says after crypto ETF movement in Hong Kong, other Asia regulators could act. So we all know that crypto has just seen this massive boost in not adoption, but purchasing in the last 8 to 12 weeks since the ETF, Bitcoin ETF, was launched on Wall Street. Now, Hong Kong just set one up, and we're going to see even more. Now, this isn't cash settlement. This is a little different, but I'll read this. It appears ever more likely that fund issuers will launch crypto ETFs in Hong Kong very soon. This could catalyze acceptance of such funds elsewhere, with some speculating that other regulators in Asia could be next to follow suit. Let me stop right there and say, all the people that run these hedge funds, I have to be honest with you, they own Bitcoin, they own crypto. They've been involved in this for years. However, even though they loved it, they couldn't go and start a hedge fund buying it or an ETF to go buy it for their clients because it wasn't authorized by the US government. And now, Hong Kong governments and other governments around the world. Now we're seeing massive inflows because hedge funds buying for pension funds and for private equity groups or private wealth firms are now pushing into this, okay? This is creating a lot of upward movement in the price. Now, it says in the US, the Securities Exchange Commission had held out approving a spot Bitcoin ETF for years, restricting investors from engaging with cryptocurrencies through regulated financial avenues. This barrier prevented the broader financial adoption and accessibility of blockchain assets. All that changed in January, and the SEC approved 10 spot Bitcoin ETFs for trading on the US exchanges. This approval not only marked a significant shift in policy, but also led to approximately $12.5 billion in net inflows to these funds, demonstrating a robust market appetite. So when that happened, it was time to make the announcement, because you guys know that I've been in crypto for quite some time, and a cyclical bull market was definitely confirmed because of the sheer amount of money that Wall Street's putting into this. There is a small window. When I say small, I'm talking about 3 to 6, maybe 9 months after this halvening that you're going to see the price of the crypto market melt people's faces off, and they're going to lose their minds. And it's one thing to make money. It's another thing to know how to secure it, save it, invest it for the next cycle. And so that's when we decided to launch that course. It's so much more than just learning how to click here and click there, buy here, sell there, sell here, buy here, just like I did this morning. There's a lot more to it. And so you're going to see more videos coming out. As a matter of fact, I'm releasing a video later today about how to secure not only a Trezor, how to start it up and store crypto on it, but to how to even go past the 12-word seed phrase that you get from Trezor, and to go past that and create a hidden wallet. People need to know how to secure their accounts with RFID chips and all that kind of stuff. Buying and selling Bitcoin is just one piece of the puzzle. And actually, one of the lessons that Joe teaches is how to use bought Bitcoin ETFs on the stock market. You don't even need to have a fancy Coinbase or Gemini account, fancy crypto wallets. You can learn these lessons or watch what's going on in that crypto calls, the monthly calls, so actually weekly calls. Joe's putting so much on there, it's almost daily. But my point being is that you look at the technical analysis and you use that to have more successful trades than failed trades, right? Because nobody hits it 100% of the time. And so you could use Bitcoin ETFs as a trading vehicle to jump on this crypto, mainly spearheaded by Bitcoin rally. Okay. There's also a couple of things coming this year that are going to blow people's minds. And a lot of people are going to lose a lot of money because they hold on to them too long. But you're going to make a lot of money if you move in and out of them. The trades is the artificial intelligence coins and the meme coins. If you've ever heard of Doge or Shiba Inu, you know how much money can be made. And yes, I've been a part of that. And it's really exciting, but it's no fun watching that stuff go down. I know what that's like also. So we put this course together in this time right now, and it says right here, check this out. Fast forward just weeks after the US ETF approvals to when the United Kingdom's Financial Conduit Authority said it would support recognized investment exchanges listing physically backed Bitcoin and Ether exchange traded notes, or ETNs, for professional investors. So you've got the United Kingdom moving in. It says here, the London Stock Exchange indicated that such listings could be expected by the end of May. We're talking about a handful of weeks away. So that is why we put this together. I put together a team to show you how to make money from this and how to have more success than failures. And not a lot of people say that when they sell a course. Well, that's why we built the course the way we did. It's built with fundamentals and technical analysis. Both together make a successful trader, not one or the other. Because you need to have your fundamentals in line when things take a turn and it didn't go the way you thought. You need the technical analysis to show you which cycle has a better probability of moving, which way, up or down. If you guys want to check out that course, it's pre-filming discount right now. It's $189, and I think the guys have the monthly trade calls and ongoing coaching sets, I think, $79 a month. I don't think there's a better deal out there right now for cryptocurrency. And like I said, I put together a team, a professional trader and a published author of the Bitcoin Business Accelerator to answer all your questions and make this an absolute rock star success. Because over the next 6 to 9 months, a lot of people are going to dive in and a lot of people are going to lose money. I want you to make money and then get out when the time's right and secure those profits. Hey, I hope you got something out of this. Thank you so much for watching. The Economic Ninja is out.